In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add and delete rows in the mobile app. I'll demonstrate using a phone, but the same approach applies to the tablet view of the mobile app as well. So on the mobile app, you may already know that if you want to add a food item manually without using the barcode feature, you'll need to do so by using the Add a Food form found on your dashboard, or by inserting a row at the top of the food inventory list. So to do that, all you do is select the entire row by tapping on the row selector on the far left. When you do that, the menu options for that row will appear from the bottom of the screen. Then simply tap the row above or row below option in the insert section of the menu. To delete a row, for example, when you've used the last of a food item, you select the row like we just did and scroll down in the menu. Just tap Delete Row, and that's all there is to it. I'll see you in the next tutorial video.